Hello and welcome everybody to Bullets Garage. I got a quick episode for you today. As you know from the previous video, I had my carbon guards installed, and ever since then the company that I got it from, that I've recommended it to a lot of people, has been very unreliable to say the least. People have not been getting their parts that they ordered from him. So one of the fellow people on the forum community has reached out and asked if I could take off my carbon guards and trace them for him and send him out to trace so that a company that he's out there in California could make it locally for him. So I said, why not? Let's do it. Lexus community for the win. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to uninstall the carbon guards and then trace them out and ship them out to him. So that's it. I got my two kids hanging out with me today. It's a little warmer day here in Chicago, but this one's always shaking. Got my baby Frenchie. They're going to be hanging out today, all right? Stay tuned. In the rear, due to the limited amount of space, I had to makeshift this tool so I didn't have to remove my tires, but it got the job done. So I totally forgot that there's a 3M adhesive at the back of the rear one, so I'm going to use a heat gun to heat this up a little bit so I could peel it off. Sucks that I gotta do it, but it's the only way. Alright guys, as you can see, the back is a pain in the ass, tedious process with the screws and the small amount of space you have between the rear tire, but I got them back on. It's good to go. I'm gonna send these outlines to the guy and hope he gets a nice set of carbon guards. Take care guys, subscribe to the channel, see you on the next video.